Your first time here?
Welcome back guys to Options ENT, and guys today we're gonna feature theory naturally. Guys, we are now in Grenada, and the same thing we did in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, we're gonna do it here in Grenada. We wanna go waterfalls, we wanna go beaches, we wanna go in the town, etc, etc. Just check out the channel. So all my Grenadan fans guys, just drop a flag in the comment section. Options and theory naturally here, and don't forget we still represent for wildlife guys. So today we're going to start it with a bang. We're going Mount Carmel Waterfalls. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Welcome back guys. Options ENT featuring theory naturally.
Welcome back to you.
Try which this waterfall. One. Kind of sketchy. We are Papa Chile. I don't know how they were wild. Yeah. Gonna spawn out there. This looking nice tunnel guys. Drop some like before you watch. Drop a like before you watch. For sure, good content today. Catch you back guys. Up the hill guys. Sure where I come from. Oh man. So we reach here guys. You see right there, we go down to the slide. And then here's the fall. You have plenty of people on my side? No. Okay, alright. Yeah guys. So how it look. See water there so. See it up there. This look good. Got some light guys. Got some light. In Grenada, do it wet. See here now, like it in a wonderland. Set up nice. Wow. Wow guys.
Wow.
Yeah man. Such beauty. Wow. Look at that guys. Look at drone footage man. Look at our head. Look at that. This is a must visit. No lie. Must visit. This is a must visit. You guys with all the stuff? Just hurry to see waterfall. Can't believe it. Yeah, guys, I'll show you how waterfall look. But first, we got an entrance. Place looking really lovely, guys. This place. Places, guys. So I went to Cabin. Cabin one time? Eh? No, I'll go up there. That's how it is, guys. No, it's pretty much. I'm gonna really stick around, guys. The right one, guys. Yeah, boy. And the real slippery theory. Tips like the video and follow theory. Look at that, guys. For the small reach I must be right there. Cause the rocks are there real slippery. Hello. Yeah. I'll come over. Time up. Just do it now. Real good. Voilà. Gotcha. Far small with your head. Yeah. Yeah, nice, that's so nice. You guys are gonna take us off. Take a side. That's what people don't take it. Oh, nice. It's really nice.
I am having a blast. You will too. Trust me. Wow. Carmel Waterfalls is a must try. And it's a short hike, guys. Okay? One up. Outside. Alright. But enjoy yourself.
People like the video. There. Just enjoy it, guys. Check it out.
It's warm, it's not cold. You want it very warm, guys.
So there are. Oh, beautiful. We got up there, what on? We're going up there. The five, guys, the five. What's the third part, too?
Wow.
some create something for the walk. Oh man, kid. Yeah guys, kita sama dengan guys. So new visitors, so why not have fun with them? See they in the back there. Yeah. Why not have fun with them? So right now this song.
Yeah, peeps. Like some friends there. They don't look like locals. Yeah. I'm doing a vlog. You guys mind being on cam? It's okay? Alright. So, this your first time here?
No.
No? What's your name? Hi, nice to meet everybody. Say hi. Okay, so how was the slide?
Oh, you were on it. Yeah,
You were on the slide?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
How long is it though?
Like 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
I mean, I only did like, I think I only did it from like the first step up, so it wasn't that bad.
Okay, where are you guys originally from?
Original? Well, we're in school right now here.
Oh, so you're not,
We're
okay.
not like tourists, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh guys, when I walk there, from we show you go so to the waterfalls, and then we are going down here to the water slide. See? I'll show you guys. Look on it. A nice small pond right there. So we set it. And over this way. Okay. I see no crayfish yet, boy. And that's a fish. Oh, the upper slide. Wow, this is a big slide, boy, guys. You know, I walk on the car like it's slippery. Yeah, I'll go wrong too. Yeah guys, it's a how down below look. See environment. See you there. It's a how down here look. I'm shy with the drone just now. Yeah, the drone footage. Tastes nice, nah lie. Thumbs up.
Must see.